Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Volvo XC40 versus Hyundai Tucson. We'll explore how these two popular compact SUVs stack up against each other. The Volvo XC40 positions itself as a luxury option, starting at a higher price point, while the Hyundai Tucson offers a compelling package with a more accessible starting price. We'll dive into their key differences to help you decide which one best fits your needs and lifestyle. When it comes to performance, the Volvo XC40 typically features a mild hybrid powertrain delivering 247 horsepower, offering a refined and powerful drive. It achieves an EPA-estimated 26 miles per gallon combined. The Hyundai Tucson, with its standard 2.5-liter engine, produces 187 horsepower and boasts a slightly better 28 miles per gallon combined for front-wheel drive models. For towing, the XC40 leads with a 3,500-pound capacity versus the Tucson's 2,000 pounds. Inside, the Hyundai Tucson offers impressive practicality with up to 83 cubic feet of maximum cargo space when the rear seats are folded, along with a modern, spacious cabin. The Volvo XC40, while smaller, still provides a respectable 57.5 cubic feet of maximum cargo volume and features a minimalist, high-quality Scandinavian interior. Both vehicles prioritize safety, coming equipped with comprehensive suites of driver assistance technologies like automatic emergency braking and lane keeping assist, ensuring peace of mind on every journey. Ultimately, your choice depends on priorities. If you seek a premium driving experience with luxurious materials, superior handling, and top-tier safety innovations, the Volvo XC40 is an excellent fit. However, if you prioritize outstanding value, generous cargo space, and a comprehensive array of modern technology at a more accessible price, the Hyundai Tucson stands out. For more great deals, including those leak-proof meal prep containers, check the link in the description below. Both are strong contenders, offering distinct advantages for different drivers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.